Welcome to the next session, spying modes. So what is spying? Spying is a technique used to capture the elements like button, fields, drop-down, etc. in your business application. Based on the type of interfaces, the attributes will vary in your application modeler. Don't worry much on application modeler and its concepts right now because we are going to see a lot in more detail about application modeler in the upcoming session. In addition to that, in Blue Prism, you have a different spying modes options available. First one is like Windows, which is Win32 mode, and next is active accessibility, which is AA, and next to that you will have a web mode, which is HTML mode, region mode, which is called as a surface automation technique, where you will be mostly useful in Citrix-based applications, and last one you have UI mode, which is available in a version 6 and above, where you will not be able to see in version 5 and lesser than that. So apart from that, based on your application interfaces, you will have different modes. Blue Prism will help you to capture or do the screen scraping according to your application interface type. For example, for mainframe, you will have a grid mode, and SAP, you will have SAP mode specifically to perform a task in SAP screens. And in a Java-based application, which is a .jar file based applications, you will have Java mode and lot more based on your application types. So this will help you to capture your fields or try to perform the actions on your presentation layer of your business application. So that's on the higher level of what is spying and spying modes. Anyway, don't think much on it. Even if you're not able to understand, we are going to see in detail about the application mode and different types of modes which we have discussed here, so that you will have a better understanding what is a spying mode and how it is being called or used in the business object. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.